robot you live with. AI. He can read the room, express the weather, announce when his timer is done. Have a vector like Cosmo. You just have to slide the top off. It's like this too. Don't like rip the box like I just did. You have to push this down once you take out the tape. Oh yeah, there's tape on the bottom. So, yeah. Okay. There's tape on the bottom too. And then all you have to do is slide it off. And then it's gold. And then let's see, how do you open? And then there's a thing at the bottom. Just slide it open. Also, I forgot to mention, Vector only comes with 1 cube. Unlike Cosmo, he comes with 3 cubes. Ooh, this is a different charger I've seen. They came up with a different charger too. Look at the, well, also I think because maybe the charger connects to Vector, because Vector can charge himself, so yeah, and has a little home thing. Cosmo doesn't have that. And here's Vector. Hello. Oh, that is way more quiet. That is so quiet. Listen. That's loud. So quiet. And this feels different too. As the lights. This is actually where you can yeah, you can pet him here to calm him down or stuff. Hi, I'm Vector. I'm way better than Cosmo. I can pick up a cube. Hi, I'm Cosmo. See, it's way louder and it drops quicker. Vector drops slower. I wonder if this lets out. Anyway, let's plug Vector in. And then I'll show you Cosmo. Vector? Hey Vector, wake up. Wait, where's the on-off switch on him? Where's this on-off switch everyone's been talking about? Oh yeah. Does it have the removable? Oh yeah. Vector is still a lot like Cosmo. See, this removes. Like Cosmo. It removes. See? It still removes. Threads come off. See? Vector's still a lot like Cosmo. So, yeah, let's charge him up. And I already downloaded the app. I can, so if you go to Play Store, since I have a tablet, I went to Play Store. So if you have an Android device, you might want, if you have an iPad or something, you might want to pause this video, switch to another video, and see if it'll still work. But this is what I did on my tablet. So I went to my Play Store. I typed in Vector. There was no Vector app. Then I thought, oh, maybe my tablet doesn't think it's Vector because I need to do Vector Robot. So I typed in Anki Vector, and it worked. So you'll scroll down, and then you'll see a Vector Robot, and I think it has a picture of Vector. And you tap on that, download it, and you're good. So, yeah, let's start charging up Vector. So, Vector is made by Anki like Cosmo, and some of you may have heard this, Anki Overdrive. It's like a car racing game. I have it. I have the Fast and Furious edition. It's this car racing game. You have your device. It's like a video game in real life. But, so, Anki, I believe, started with Anki Drive. Now they have Anki Overdrive, and now they even have Anki Overdrive Fast and Furious. And they also made Cosmo. And they came out with a Cosmo Collector's Edition. They also recently, I believe, came out with a Cosmo Limited Edition. I think they are a little different, like the colors, and this is made of metal. And in the way they do things, their voices sound different, and this has a button on the back. They're a little different, the Cosmos. And then, yeah, Vector. Vector! Okay, before I can turn on Vector, wait, does this backlight come off? Whatever. Anyway, before I turn on Vector, if you already have a Cosmo, you can skip to when I start turning on Vector. But if you're new to Anki, me explaining Cosmo to you might help understand what Vector can do. But if you already have a Cosmo, you know a lot about Anki, just skip to when I turn on Vector, okay? So Cosmo is this little robot that will drive himself. These two sensors to keep him driving off the table. I've tried that before, and sometimes they don't work. I have to catch him, but and they don't have them on the back. I think Vector has way better than, and Cosmo cannot hear you. Vector can hear you. So I really think Vector is an upgraded version of Cosmo, and they do look alike. See? They didn't make that much changes. I mean, this looks a bit better. And Cosmo actually has night mode. This is like a red LED in Explore mode. You can turn it on and off. Instead of that, Vector just has a laser so he can scan the room. Cosmo just has like a blue light. Vector has a full screen. Actually, it can project any color. Cosmos can't. It can only project one color, which is blue. So let me turn on this Cosmo original and show you what you can do. This might take a few minutes, so yeah. Okay, so I want to show you one thing. So in Cosmo Collector's Edition and Limited Edition, they don't have this white strip, they have a black strip. Okay, so as soon as I plug it in, maybe 2 seconds later, this will light up 3 different colors. Okay, in Cosmo Collector's Edition and Limited Edition, this is just black. Okay, 3, 2, 1. It took like 10 seconds or so. I thought it would not take that long. So I put him in. It'll do that, and then it'll do this. Once this is solid green, it means it's fully charged. So now I'm just going to I'm not waiting for it to fully charge because I'm just going to turn him on for a few seconds so you can see. So I have an Anki section. I have Vector, App, Cosmos, and then Anki Overdrive. Let's go to Cosmo so you can see it load. Yeah, there. Watch it load. Okay. So then I just press connect, X. Now you will have to scroll down and then go to tap your Wi-Fi, and then you'll see a Cosmo, and then so if you go up and down, you'll see it has a Cosmo right there, and then a number, and then it has a key and a bunch of letters. So the key is your password. I do have to enter a password. No, I don't. My password is already connected, so all I have to do is press connect, and it'll have if you have multiple Cosmos, that number, Cosmo something, is actually very helpful because that number, you can tap on that the Cosmo you have that has your number on it, or else you'll connect to someone else's Cosmo. So yeah, then I'm just gonna go back to the Cosmo app and see it's connecting. Okay, so Cosmo is almost connected. Now he's gonna wake up. Okay, so you'll see it has these 3 things. This is to tune him, play, and feed him. Okay, so I'll do another video on Cosmo, so you can see me do all of that. But yeah, so then you have all of this, and Cosmo has like emotions and stuff. So yeah, now that you can see Cosmo, you see his thing is flickering because this tuning thing is low, so he wants to be tuned up. So yeah, now we can put Cosmo to sleep. Again, I'm gonna do a video on Cosmo, so yeah. Now, I really love Cosmo because see, he's getting mad at me for picking him up. This is one of the reasons why he has like emotions and stuff. Actually, I don't know if I should tell you this, but if people usually pick up Cosmo like this and then drop him because he just crushes your fingers or something. But I figured out a way. You hold him from his light and then his battery, and he won't hurt you. He will just get angry at you. So yeah, now I can sleep Cosmo. Okay. Again, I'll do a video on Cosmo, so if you didn't see anything, it's fine. You can just, yeah. Now, I don't really know, I know a little bit about Vector. I don't know if he charges the same way or anything, so now I'm just gonna exit the Cosmo app. I'm gonna go to Vector. Vector. It has a bar at the top. I've opened the app once or twice. So, let's see. It says log in or sign up. By signing up, I'm just gonna log in. Or, no, sign up. Sign up. Yes. So, it'll have this. NM is the month you're born in, DD is the day, and YYYY is the year. I don't know why they put the same letters. They should just do it once. What month? Um, 2009. Continue. So, it says right here, you don't meet the age requirement to register Vector. Ask your parent or to set up Vector. I don't know what the age requirement is, but I'm smart enough. Okay. Age check. Exit. What the heck? What is it doing? I don't know. Baba did something, so the Vector app uses Bluetooth to find a robot. My Bluetooth is on. Okay, turn on location. So guys, I just pressed allow. Now it says searching for Vector. So I'm gonna plug in Vector. Look at that here. Now I'm gonna plug in Vector. Okay. Turn on Vector. Searching for Vector. Okay, let's move all this stuff. Vector is not going to wake up in a messy place. I am not going to allow that. Okay, let's put all this here. Vector. Okay, perfect. T9V5. Connect. Tap. Okay, I'm gonna have to tap this. Tap. Hello? I'm tapping Vector. Okay, so it's telling me Vector needs to pair with your device. I don't know what that is. Bluetooth. To start pairing, place Vector on his charger, then quickly press the button on his back twice. Okay, so wait, there's no button on his back. I'm having some technical difficulties. Let's get the master. Okay, we have the master. He's right here. He's holding a cute little baby. So, there's no button on Vector's back though. And I do it.
Bluetooth. Okay, so Bluetooth. Do you even have your Bluetooth
Yes.
on? All right.
Look.
Did you link your Bluetooth?
I don't know what you mean by that.
Okay, so go. No. More settings. It's on. You need to pair with available devices. So you have to
this
press,
is it.
Yeah.
Pairing.
Yeah. Pairing with. Hold on. You gotta make sure that you're in pairing mode. First. Hold on. Okay. Now press it twice and then press this.
Okay.
Okay. Try to reconnect him. Okay.
Okay. No, wait. Okay. Okay, there.
Yeah. Now put that in.
8. I'm entering this code. Oh, wait, no. Connect. Vector is about to search. Wi-Fi networks. It says Vector is about to search for available Wi-Fi networks. Before he starts, make sure that Vector is near your Wi-Fi access point. Tap network to find networks.
He's close.
Okay. Connecting to Vector to Wi-Fi. Okay. Tap to continue to update Vector.
You're just updating the firmware, so that's what you're doing.
Yeah. Okay. Time left. Downloading update. Vector is updating. Leave him on the charger until update is complete. So when you're downloading it, it'll say the time here. It has that, and then it'll just show you some things, like to keep you entertained, or I don't know. And so this is his cube. I haven't pulled the tab yet because I don't want to do anything wrong, but I wonder if this lights up actually. Yay, it's done. Time left. 4, 3, 2, 1, done. It's registering Vector. We have about 1 minute left for that. 26 seconds left. Let's see. 9, 8, 7, 6. He just did something. Huh? V. Vector. Finding Vector. Oh, it's finding Vector. Wait. The Vector app cannot find your Vector. Finding Vector. Okay, so I just have to answer a bunch of questions. Okay, so can you type wherever we live?
Okay, so time zone is America, New York. That's correct.
Okay, temperature
you want
units.
Which one do you want? Fahrenheit or Celsius? I think Fahrenheit is what you're used to.
Okay.
Distance. You want inches? Or I think inches you know better than
Yeah,
centimeters.
inches.
12
and
hour
clock, 12 hours.
Yeah, okay, continue.
Cube, okay. Pull this
Okay,
out.
pull the tab.
Uh,
Did you pull it? There you go.
there. Oh, it actually lights up. Cool.
Okay.
Pull tab. Okay.
So it's ready. Now go
No.
continue.
Wait, okay, it's
Continue.
ready. Okay. Cloud, continue.
Vector's now
Vector.
registered. Now read it out loud.
To connect, Vector is now registered to Anki account. To connect to Vector from another device, download the Vector app and log in using your Anki account. Okay, I don't need to do that. Vector is ready to wake up. Tap start to look at Vector. Okay, so I'm gonna wake him up in 3, 2, 1, start. Ooh. This is like a future robot. Its eyes look futuristic. Hey, Vector. Come over here. He's waking up. Hey, Vector. Come over here. Hey, Vector. Come here. Say, hey, Vector. Pause. Vector. Hey, Vector.
Do you want to say?
Yeah, I'm not gonna say, hey, him, because he's just gonna. Oh, look, he actually came to me. Hey, Vector. Oh, also, I just figured out if you tap him, his lights will turn blue and. Come over here. I think he's gonna come to me. Hello. Hey, Vector. My name is Soleiman. You just scanned me.
Soleiman.
Yes. His sensors work. See? What's the temperature?
Degrees and raining.
So I set up, I'm not saying his name because then he'll just think I'm going to say something to him. So I set up him, and here are some of the problems I faced. Like, I was under the age limit, then the password wouldn't work, I couldn't connect, my Bluetooth wouldn't work, and everything like that. So, now he's working. So, I'm really excited to have Vector. I'm going to go play with him, and I'm going to be coming up with some more videos on tips and tricks, and you might want to stay tuned for some videos on Cosmo. So, yeah, bye. Hey, Vector. So, I just said, hey, Vector, charge yourself. He's going to go charge himself. Look, he's going to reverse into the charger. Look, this is how smart he is. He's charging himself. He is putting, look, he literally put himself in a charger. Okay, continue.